pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
London buns. For this you'll need 8 ounces of self-rising flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of margarine, 2 ounces of granulated sugar, 1 ounce of peel cut fine as far as I could get it, 1 egg, 2 tablespoonfuls of milk and a few drops of lemon essence. Mix the flour and salt. Now rub in the margarine. Add the sugar. And finely shredded peel. That was as fine as I could shred it. Beat the egg. Yeah, it's well beaten now. Add the beaten egg to your flour mix. Save a little for brushing later. Add a few drops of lemon essence or lemon extract to the milk. With your flour and mix it to a dough. Divide into 8 portions and form into buns with your well floured hands. That's 4. Make them into little buns. One. Place on a greased baking sheet. 8. Still 8. Right. Brush over with the egg. Sprinkle with coarse sugar. bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. They're a bit like scones. Crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, and kind of sweet. Yeah. What's this? Where did this come from? I've never seen that before. The magenta otter travels mug arrived and I must try it out. Sprinkle with coarse sugar. I said sprinkle. They're a bit like scones. Crunchy on the inside. Take 64.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.